Hello, today we're going to area of shapes. Okay, so what is a compound shape? A compound shape like this, okay, which includes other smaller shapes in it. For example, if I had to divide this shape into, you should see a small square, okay, and another rectangle here. Okay, so a compound shape is made up of smaller shapes. So how should we find the area of this compound shape? So first of all, as I have done before, I have to divide the shape into smaller ones. So here I have shape A, which consists of a square, okay, and here I have a rectangle, which consists of these sides. Right? So in order to find the area of the whole shape, first we have to find the area of A and then the area of B. So let us start working this out. So area of A, I suggest you always label all the smaller shapes, okay? Area of A is equal to, now here A is a square and we know that the area of a square is found by doing length times length. Sometimes you can use length times breadth. Both are correct. So the length here is 3 meters multiplied by 3 meters. 3 times 3 gives us 9 meters multiplied by meters gives us meters squared. So there you have your first area. Now we have to find the area of B. Okay, so area of B equals 2. We know that a rectangle, the area of a rectangle can be found by using length times breadth. Okay, so the length here is 12 meters multiplied by the breadth 11 meters. Okay, check your answer with a calculator or you can work it out mentally and you should get the answer of 132 meters squared. Okay, so the final answer of the whole shape should be um, this area, the area of A, plus okay, the area of B. So now we have to add both areas. Okay, so area of compound shape, okay, is equal to 132 plus the 9. Okay, we have to add the area of A and the area of B. And you should get the answer of 141 meters squared. Okay, so that is how you find the area of a compound shape. Step 1 is to divide the shape into smaller ones. Always label the shape. Okay, you find the area of all the shapes you have divided, and then final step is to add everything up. Okay, so let us work out another one. So here you have a clear example of how you can divide this L shaped. Okay, he divided it into this rectangle and this rectangle. So we can name this rectangle A and this rectangle B. So let us find the area of the whole shape. So area of A, we know that the area of a rectangle is found by multiplying the length by breadth. Okay, so the length of this rectangle is 2 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters. 2 times 4 gives us 8. Okay, centimeters squared since we are talking about area. Now let us work out the area of B. So area of B, again, length times breadth. Now the length of our rectangle here is 3. The breadth is 2. So 3 centimeters multiplied by 2. And you should get 6 centimeters squared. Okay. Final step is that you have to add all your answers because you need to find the whole area of this shape. Okay. So area of composite or compound shape okay, is equal to, you have to add 8 plus 6 and you should get the answer of 14 centimeters squared. And there you have your final answer. Okay, let's look at another example. So here, if I look at this compound shape, if I divide it into 2, okay, I can divide this into 2. I can see that I have formed a triangle and a rectangle. Okay, so a triangle and a rectangle. I should name these, okay? Normally we use letters of the alphabet, so this is shape A and this is shape B. And let us work it out bit by bit. So area of A is equal to, now what formula do we use for the area of a triangle? We use the formula base times perpendicular height divided by 2. Okay, so the base of our triangle here is this, from this point till this point, you can see here. However, we don't know it yet. Okay, how can we find this um, this measurement, this length? Okay, I know that this side till this side is equal to 12 centimeters. However, I know that part of this rectangle is equal to 2 centimeters because it is equal to this side. Okay, you see here this is 2 centimeters, so this part is also 2. Now what is this size, okay, from this point to this point? How can you find it? You know that the total length is 12, part of it is 2. What is the remaining part? Okay, so here we have to subtract 2 from 12. Okay, so we know that 12 minus 2 gives us 10 centimeters. So our base here is 10 centimeters. Multiplied by the perpendicular height. You see here, there is the perpendicular height, okay, which is 6. And everything you divide by 2. Okay, so 10 times 6 gives us 60. Divided by 2, you should get 30. What units do we use here? We use centimeters squared because we are finding the area. So step 1 is ready. Now we have to find the area of the rectangle B. Okay, so area of B, find area of a rectangle by multiplying the length by its breadth. Okay, so the length here is 12. You can see here 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 4. Okay, so 12 multiplied by 4 gives you the answer of 48 centimeters squared. And there you have your second area. The last step you should do is that you need to add both areas to find the whole area of this compound shape. Okay, so you have to add 30 and 48 together. So area of compound shape, area of compound shape is equal to 30 plus 48, okay, which is equal to 78 centimeters squared. And there you have your final answer. Okay, We can work the last answer here. We have another one here. Okay. So let us name this triangle A and this triangle B. Okay. So first we have to find the area of A. So area of A is equal to base times perpendicular height divided by 2. The base of the first triangle is 8 multiplied by its perpendicular height. It is 15, okay, and everything divided by 2. So 8 multiplied by 15, we should get 120. 120 division by 2, you should get the answer of 60 centimeters squared. Now we have to find the area of B. Okay, so area of B again, we always write the formula so that you don't make mistakes when you need to substitute the values. So base times perpendicular height divided by 2. The base of our triangle B is equal to 6. Its perpendicular height is equal to 6 as well, divided by 2. So 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 gets the answer of 18 centimeters squared. Okay. Last step is that you need to add both areas in order to find the whole area of the shape. Okay, so area of compound shape is equal to 60 plus 18 is equal to 78 centimeters squared.